How to remove the background from an image. In Canva, it is important to highlight that this tutorial applies to both the website and the mobile app. We will simply go to where it says Presentation and create a new blank one. If you already have one, you don't need to create it. Just add your image here. In this case, I added this image of some penguins, but let's imagine that I only want the penguins to be visible and not the entire background. Now, what I need to do is simply click on the image. With it selected, a menu will appear at the top. Notice that if I don't select it, this menu doesn't show up. I click on Edit Image, and once it loads, we will see the background remover from Canva Pro. Now you might say, well, I don't have Canva Pro. Don't worry, because I will explain a way to do it without needing Canva Pro. However, if you have Canva Pro or Canva for Education, you also have access to this feature. So click there, and it will automatically start removing the background. We just need to wait, and as you can see, it has loaded, and now we have a new background. If I make it smaller, you might see the background for a moment, but if not, just look, it's already there. I can insert, for example, this orange here, well, not on top of the penguins precisely, because then you won't see what I want to show you. It's simply the fact that if I place the mango here and then put the image on top, we realize that it no longer has any background, and in fact, I can place it on top of the mango to make it look funnier. There. Let's see the second method. Search for Remove Background Image. But don't click the first option that appears. Go to the second, from Photo Room. Link in video description. You are going to upload the photo here. You will drag it and drop it there, and then wait for it to load for a moment. Once it has loaded, the image with the background removed will appear. As you can see, all that's left to do is download it. It doesn't download at the highest resolution, but offers better resolution than the other platform, so that's good. Here I set it to standard resolution. It downloads, and if I go back to the Canva page, we will place this here and lock it so we can't move it. Now we will upload the new image of the penguins, and as you can see, it's practically the same. Now we will place them on top of an orange over here, and it's the same. We will raise it in a layer, and simply from here we would then be able to even rotate this. Now we will unlock it. We locked it horizontally, or rather we rotate it, and it looks like they are fighting. But well, there we have the example of how to remove the background from an image within Canva. In case you don't have Canva with a membership or something similar, we can use this other page, upload the images. And this is unlimited because if I want, I can upload another photo later and also remove the background and subsequently upload it to Canva, as you can see here.